Good morning. I just wanted to give you a quick update of my garden. Everything's growing like crazy. Starting with my upside down hangers, the marigolds are going great. The dry root strawberries didn't work out. For some reason, I think they were dead before I got them, so I got rid of those and I put a combination of cayenne peppers and jalapenos, every other one. And they're doing great, but they were very small seedlings. And the cherry tomatoes are doing good, and I've already eaten a couple cayenne. Ooh. Those, by the way, are very great for your heart. Then look at these. My soil bag gardens have really taken off. This is the pak choi and the radishes and the, what is that in the back? The garlic. We've had no vampires. That's great. And the lettuce has just gone nuts. And even my potatoes, they're ready to hill really soon. Then coming over here, these are some leftover seedlings that I'm going to be selling this morning. My string beans are going crazy. And the tomatoes, I planted radishes around a couple of the tomatoes. But down over here, those things on the bottom of those tomatoes there in the bucket, in the Alaska bucket, that's oregano. I found out that they're very good companion plants for tomatoes. And then my kiddie pool with grow bags. Look at that corn on the cob. I mean, that has been sprouting up about a couple inches every day lately. And behind that, I have my cucumbers, the pickling cucumbers, and the lemon cucumbers. And my peas are starting to take off and stretch out. Of course, more peppers. Then that brings me to my tower. Strawberry tower. The strawberries are doing well. I just can't keep ahead of the birds and the squirrels with eating them. All the ones at the bottom, those were the dry root. You can see they're still in there and they're just not making it. So I think all the dry roots I had were kind of duds. And I have corn on the cob on that side with parsley underneath it. And over here I've got a whole mess of marigolds to keep the critters out and corn on the cob coming through. Nice strawberry plant over here. Look at those flowers, so there's more on the way. And last but not least is my capillary system. I put water on the top for my birds. It's been very, very hot, so they're getting in there, getting a bath, and it's watering the plants a little more, as you can see. My cabbage are doing great. Everything took over so much bigger and thicker and more lush than I expected. Those are all radishes, and that one right there, I think that's just a weed. And I have head lettuce, which is way too much. And then here, there's some more garlic, as you can see. And there are carrots in that big hole. The squirrel found a way to get around the marigolds. So I'm very pleased with how the garden has turned out.